Okay, what's going on, potatoes? Frequent Pit here, and today I'm going to be playing Skate 3. I'm at the Mega Ramp, trying to see if I can just... Right here. Alright. Mega Ramp. Woohoo! Made it. Oh, made it. Alright. See if I can just try this, and woohoo! Here. Come on. No. Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright. A bird that failed. I'm a birdie. Woohoo. Bleep. Alright. There we go. Yep. Oh yeah. And there's this really funny glitch that I saw once for those ramps that right there. Actually, I'm gonna. Yeah, I can't grab that. Come on, grab. Or I was pressing the wrong button. Come on, let me go. There we go. Come on. Ah, whatever. I'll just see if I can use this. All right. So I set it up right here, and then. Oh, made it. That's gonna be a fail. Oh wait, it wasn't a fail. Okay, this is a total fail. Yeah. Yes. Ah. Wow. That seemed painful. Now let's try. Look. We're just gonna finally move this right there, and then. Awesome. Aw. Ah, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Grab. 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 Grab, you stupid thing. Come on. Put that right there. And then we are just gonna select this, turn it. Just needs to go spin around. There we go. Come on. Alright. Alright, come on, I can do this. Alright, pretty close. Fail. Alright, come on. There we go. Come on. Woohoo! There. Come on. Here we go. Yes. Whoa. Where? What just happened? Uh, come on. Come on. Come on. And da 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 da. Upside down bird. Come on. Oh, come on. Alright. Keep doing this glitch. Woo! I'm a little birdie. I'm a little birdie. Right in the mouth. There we go. Alright. Whoa. I'm going up really high.
Hey man, use your eyes.
I am using my eyes. Oh, hey. It's one of my characters. How's it going? Doing I'm called Skater. And then him. And then this guy. Okay, one of them is somewhere. Okay. And then there we go. Oh. Right. Woohoo! Alright. What? Alright, here we go. And come on. One last time. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna see if I can just do this. There we go. Fly like a birdie, fly like a birdie. As I slam myself into the wall. And alright. One more time and then oh, come on, guy. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Alright. There There we go. Okay, so it's about time for me to end the video. So, if you guys like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you potatoes in the next video.